Hi everyone, I'm Sam Zaganto, Samantha, and I'll be taking this class with you this summer, year 203. So a little bit about myself. Let's see. I'm from Downers Grove, Illinois. I don't know if a lot of you know where that is, but it's a northwest suburb of Chicago. It's not very different from Naperville or anything like that. I just put a picture of the Tivoli, which is like our famous movie theater downtown, and then this Orchard Brook sign is like the neighborhood I live in, so I thought I'd throw that in. Um, I'm a junior and I'm a double major with journalism and political science. I know, crazy. I love them both, really couldn't decide, so I decided to do both. Um, this is my family. This is my brother. On the picture on the left, my brother and my mom, and then my mom and my dad on the in the picture on the right. That's them dropping me off at school for sophomore year. I have two pets. I have a dog named Dexter, and then I have a bunny named Lucy, and they look identical. They both have the black ears, the black eyes, the black nose. They look very similar, and they're actually right next to me right now. Um, where I work right now is Young America. I know. Um, it's very fun. I enjoy it. I'm a leasing agent, and so far it's proven to be very challenging, but also, I think personally worth it. And then my last slide is my dream job. I guess my dream job, I put the Cubs on here because I think I want to work for their social media slash marketing team. I think that'd be pretty cool because I've been a Cubs fan my whole life. Um, so I think either working for the Cubs or the Blackhawks would be pretty cool in like either of those realms. And then I guess if I went the political science route, I'd either want to be a lawyer or I'd probably want to be like a House rep or senator. Um, I know there's a lot of information, but yeah, that's me.